What's up, guys? Jasper Chase here, back with another moto vlog. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Gremlin Bell and the BIKER wave, so stay tuned. So the wave was kind of a sign of respect and a message to the biker to say stay safe, keep the rubber on the road, that kind of stuff. So we're not 100% sure how far back the BIKER wave goes, but it is said to believe that in 1904 Arthur Davidson and William Harley passed each other on their bikes and waved, and a passerby noticed it and thought, oh, that must be biker etiquette. So this carried on to the military in World War I and World War II, when motorcyclists and even Jeeps would pass each other, they'd give a wave. If you are unfamiliar with the Jeep community, any Jeep Wrangler passes another Jeep Wrangler and they wave. I actually used to have a Jeep Wrangler, and I learned this because I was like, why is everybody waving at me? And it finally dawned on me, oh, it's like being on a motorcycle. It's the same kind of concept. But an interesting fact, the two fingers, you put two fingers down, and that two fingers actually derived from the peace sign. So some say it spans back all the way to the medieval times, where the knights would pass each other on the trail on horseback, and they would close their fist and hit their chest, and that was a sign of respect. So that's a little bit of history behind the BIKER wave. I hope that helps. I hope you guys understood that and enjoyed it. And if you do enjoy these videos, I highly recommend you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, smash the like button. It helps me, it helps the algorithm, so I can get more subscribers and ultimately put out my content to more viewers. And if you are a subscriber, stay tuned, because in some videos I'm actually going to be giving away stuff. I could be giving away t-shirts, keychains, Gremlin bells, all kinds of different things, hats, jackets, hoodies, sweatshirts, and I would love to be giving away all that stuff to you guys. So make sure that you subscribe, comment down below, and then I'll have in the description, I'll have a little blurb about how you can win these items. So today it's almost 60 degrees out, guys. 60 degrees. It's ridiculous. We're in the middle of January, and I'm up in the North Carolina mountains, and it's 60 degrees. It is unbelievable. It's not raining now. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain, so I won't be able to go riding, but definitely during this weekend when it dries up, I'm going to be back out on the bike. It's a cold front that's coming through, so it's going to be a little chilly, but I got my long johns, I got my hoodie, I got my thick socks. I should be all right. So let's talk about the Gremlin Bell, aka the Gremlin Bell. Now, gremlins are really nasty creatures. All they want to do is put hazards in the way of motorcycles to make them crash. They can also get on your motorcycle and cause electronic issues, chain issues, all kinds of different things. And the best way to keep them out of the picture is to have a Gremlin Bell. And the reason why is gremlins have really sensitive hearing. So when they hear the bell, they put their hands over their ears and they fall off the bike. Now there are some stipulations to it. Number one, it has to be a gift. You can't go out and buy your own Gremlin Bell. And number two is that it has to be put on the lowest part of your frame. Now this dates all the way back to the 11th century, where in funeral processions they had what are called dead bells. Now dead bells were a way to ward off evil spirits. You'd even see them on windows and doors. And let me pass this guy. That was fun. I don't usually get to do that. I don't get to accelerate quickly. I really haven't even opened this thing up. So anyways, not only do they have the dead bells for funeral processions, you'd also see them on windows and doors to mourn passing souls, relatives and family members and stuff like that. Now, another interesting fact is that British and American pilots would put them in their planes to ward off the gremlins. They'd then take them off their plane and put them on their motorcycle. So if you've got a friend that has a motorcycle and they don't have a Guardian Bell, go out and get them one so they can ward off all those gremlins. So there's a little history behind the Guardian Bell and the biker wave. Thought that would be kind of an interesting video for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. But I always thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys keep doing what you're doing. I'm out.